This is an auto-processing machine that used for making the swallowtail, dovetail spacer, and straight channel on both sides of the insulation cushion block, which applied in high-voltage transformer. The equipment is composed of feeding part of X-axis, cutting part of B-axis, transverse moving part of X-axis head, longitudinal moving part of Y-axis gantry, vertical moving part of the axis head, pneumatic and hydraulic system, electrical numerical control CNC system, etc.
Recorded by me.
Welcome to contact us for more information about our insulation material making machines.